In this video we'll show how you can easily edit the colors and fonts that are used in a style sheet without having to actually go ahead and edit the entire style sheet. So first of all, let's take a look at this component right now. We're using the alpha theme, and you can see that the panel header background here on this theme is set to black, and the accent color is this cyan color. So let's go back to design mode right now, go over to properties, and you can see here we have a new property here called customize style colors and fonts. So I'm going to double click on that, and let's go now and change the panel header background from being a black color to a very light green color, for example. So let's go there and choose, say, maybe that color over there, and then let's go to our alternate color and change that from this cyan color over there to a darker green color. So we'll go there and choose that over there. So now let's go ahead now and run the component, and we can see now that the colors have been changed. So there's our button now basically is this sort of green color, and then the actual, when the button has focus, there's the darker green color, and now our panel header also has a different color. Now editing colors in a style sheet is nothing new. You've always been able to go to the the button here that allows you to edit a style in the style builder. But when you edit a style in the style builder, if you're editing one of the built-in system styles, what happens first is a local copy of that style is made, and the edits that you make are applied to your own local copy. And while that works perfectly fine, the problem with that is that you now have your own copy of the style, and if Alpha goes and subsequently adds new CSS selectors to this Alpha style over here, perhaps because we added a new control or we maybe changed some CSS that wasn't working correctly, you're not going to get those changes, because if you edit the style, you're working with a cloned copy of the style. But if you customize styles using this approach over here, these are tweaks that are applied to the current alpha style. So if the current alpha style changes, then your tweaks will be applied to the current alpha style, and you'll always get the latest version of the alpha style with your tweaks applied to it. Now, if I want to get rid of my tweaks, I can just open up the editor, click on the Manage Files button over there, and that's going to open up the Windows Explorer and actually show me the folder where my style tweaks are stored. So if I just go ahead and delete this file, that'll delete all of my style tweaks. It's also important to remember that even though I edited these colors inside this UX component over here, these edits apply to all components in this project that use the alpha style. So as you can see now, it's very easy to quickly edit the styles and the fonts that are used in a style sheet. Thanks very much for watching.